Friends and hello student. My name is Ashok Sijala. In this session, we learn the date picker control in Android. So let us start. First, I share my laptop screen and fix the position here so you can watch better by my video lecture. And here, ADT Eclipse bundle I already opened, so we cannot consume our time. And first step in window menu, we can Android Virtual Device Manager and select small device. So my AVD, start and launch. So yes, that progress bar is beginning and we can wait for a few seconds. Yes, now I think that yes, device is appear. So I take minimize and close this window. And now second step in file menu, new and Android application project. And here we can say that date picker underscore demo. So that is our goal of this session. So how to work? Yes, date picker control in Android. So yes, here our workspace folder. Next, then our icon and background color. Yes, perfect. Blank activity and next and main activity and activity underscore main. That is our XML based layout file and that is our coding Java file. So finish and it takes some time, and after complete that process you can look here that app is create. So yes, you can wait some few seconds, it take some time. And yes, that now yes, you can look that app is appear. So yes, first you can select this hello world and that is a text view I deleted. And where yes, you can look here date and time, that is folder. And we can take date picker control. So you can look that is a we have to take. But yes, here that calendar will that view. So first yes, I take as above, so that is better. And now we can also take one simple medium. Yes, so we can take as medium text view to print our date. So now I go in XML file and here we can change. So date picker one, so I just give DP. Yes, and what to do? So here we can set one attributes and that is a calendar view. Yes, and that I false. So that is a simple calendar view show is false because that is all calendar view is separate control. And here we can just take as a date picker control how it's work. So you can also do, there is no problem, but that is a very perfect way we have to see. So you can look in the palette window that already one control is that is a date time, and here you can see that calendar view. So here we can use as date picker control. So both yes, that you have to use also, no problem. So yes, now what to do? So here I change the text view. Yes, that we can say that txt answer, and then text. Yes, we have to take as blank, or yes, just so when we can select our date. So now control S sufficient. And yes, now I can also change the text color of text view. So text color is property and we can hash sign, and let us check FF00FF. So that is a hexadecimal code. Now what to do? So we can go in our Java file. So our design is ready. Only two control, that is a date picker control, and here that we have to blank, that is a text view. So when we can select our date, so that print in the text view. So yes, what to do? So yes, source package and main activity dot our Java file, and first we can take both reference. So first is a date, yes, picker control. So you can look date picker same widget package. So dp1 and text view. I also reference text view and t1, and both we have to take id. So dp1 equal to find by id, and then r dot id dot dp. Only we have to change our id of date picker control, and typecasting is needed because that is a find you by id, return is a parent class view, so we can must be typecasting, and same process text, so that r.id.txt answer, and then again typecasting. So yes, that perfectly. And now what to do? So here we can take, yes, that is a method of date picker control. So dp1, yes, and init method we have to use. So that is a init. You can look here. So we can pass here. There are four parameter. So first is year. So we can pass just year 2021. Then day of month of year, so here that February running, and then day of month. So today is a 13th February. And now what to do? So fourth argument in init method nameless, and that we can take on date change listener. So that is a anonymous inner type. So yes, that on date change, that event is right and full screen, so you can look better. And now what to do? So here you can look, that is a integer. So first is a, we can say that year, and then second is a month, and last is a day of the month. So yes, and here that error, so we can import the package, yes, here on chain, that is a widget same package, so all error is gone. Now what to do? So we can take one date, so that is, we can take as memory allocation. So new and date, that is a utility package, yes, in Java. So you can look here, import utility in SQL, we can take utility package. And now what to do? So here we can pass that constructor, that is a y, yes, where is y? Here, that I use that same argument, and minus 1900. So that is a fixed value we have to minus, so we can get the our current year, and then month, and then day. Where is all are here? That is a y, m, and d. So we can pass in date, that constructor, three parameterized constructor is called, and then we can print, yes, text view set text, and we can say that mm, date is, yes, and then print to dt, that is our date object, and to string. So let us check, yes, semicolon. So that finish, yes, very simple. So here that is only this coding we have to on day change listener. So yes, here we can pass four argument. So first is year, then month, and day of month, and then on day change listener, and on day change we have to change three that value and use in this coding, and pass three parameterized constructor of date class, and then set date to the our text view. So yes, I can control S save, and now our device is ready. So let us I run this date picker control, how it's print the date. So run as, yes, Android application, and now let us check our device is ready. Yes, device is ready, and I open the log. So yes, here that is a selecting the big device. So yes, that I there are two AVDs there. So what to do? So first I remove. Yes, here we cannot consume over time because that take more time. So what to do? So I go in our Android Virtual Device Manager and select this big and delete. Yes, that otherwise that taking two. So now I can close, and again I run. So let us check. So I run here, that is a and date picker demo. So I think now, yes, again that open the new device is selected. So that takes some process because there are two devices. So I close our previous device. So now that take and I minimize and revise all these things, so that in background that process is complete. So what to do? So yes, I summarize. So what to do? So first step, we can launch our device. Yes, that device is taking by new in additive bundle. So date and time, yes, you can check as a date picker control. Same, that date time picker is there, calendar view, chronometer, and analog and digital clock. So that there are six control in this date time folder. Now, and also here we can take one text view, but I text is removed, so that not visible. And now go in Java file and we can take date picker and text view both reference, and take id from r.java and find view by id r.id of that date picker. And typecasting must be, because find view by id return data type is a view parent class, so you can look here. So parent class, so that we can where is a reference, so that is a reference. Yes, I think you have to know what is a reference and what is a object. So here you can look, we can use as a new keyword and new operator, you can say that. So that is a object, dt is a object. Yes, and dp1 and t1, that is a reference. Here there is no new operator is used, so that is a reference and that is a object. So that is a distinct how what is object and what is a reference in Java. And then what to do? So yes, we can take id also, text view and init method, and four parameter init pass, so year, month and day of the month. And on day change listener, and on change we can use that t variable into our coding and pass three parameterized constructor to date, that utility package. And then set text date is that message, and dt.to string, so that is a, we can select any date from that date picker control that print in the text view. So let us check our device. I think so I already what which design we have to take and which coding I revise. And now yes, that device is take some time, because that taking the new device, our previous device is sometime that is a launch is failed. So ADT bundle sometime take new device, so we can wait. Yes, so what to do? So yes, here we can take yes, let us check. We can text here blank, so we can say that print date, so that color, let us check which color is there. So yes, so you can look, that is a purple color. And I also increase that text size, so you cannot. So text color, yes, that's the attribute. So text size and text color we have to already say. And then 20, yes, that is a sdp. Yes, so scalable independent pixel. So I can save, control s, and now let us check. Now I think our device is ready. Yes, means our output is coming. So you can look here, that is a very simple format. So here that is a first is month, then day, and then year. So that is a March 13. Yes, so that is a selected yes, current we can swap. Yes, you can look, but that print in the above of the our date picker control, so we can change. Yes, here let us check. So what to do? So again, yes, where is so we can give the 2021 to, yes, that is our, yes, year, that is a, we can pass month. Yes, that is a year, month and day of the, yes, that is, I think sequence is perfect. So yes, and what to do? So here we can minus, that is a fixed value, that already perfect. And we can go in our design why that overlapping to our date picker control, so we can take as above. Yes, as possibility. Yes, and also you can take this but we cannot link with yes, now I can spread, otherwise that linking is creating problem. So yes, I remove, that is, yes, now we can bind in last. So now I can save and let us run again. So what happened? So yes, that is, I think, running. So let us, yes, now that our previous output is gone, and now that is coming. So you can look here, that process is complete, that after our app is run. So yes, now that running, and you can see that is very, now I think that print date, that is we have to say. So that is a February. You can look, the date is Saturday, 13 February, and 00, that is a time GMST, and then after year is there. So that is a very simple way we can change any month of the current, and you can also change the year. Yes, that is possibility, all that things. So you can look here also change. So I think perfectly. So yes, any question regarding this concept date picker control in Android, you can write the comment section. I give the definitely answer to you. And subscribe my channel Ashok Sijala Academy. Press the bell icon to never miss any update. And thanks for your watching, supporting, and sharing my video lecture. And Hare Krishna.